Hey there. So this little tripod thing is something that I got off Amazon and I really like it. Now I have the light down pretty low, but what's cool about it is that it has this little, do you see that? So what I can do is this just turns it off. So now there's no light, but there's a little bit of light. And then I can bring up the light more. Obviously that would be way too bright, but this one's like a white light. And then see, you can make it go down. And then, or I could have this one. So this one is kind of an amber color, which, it's kind of more moody. It kind of makes me look a little bit tanner. So that's kind of nice. That's another option that you can use. I mean, that's really not too bad. You would kind of just want to play around with the settings so that you can see if it's something that works well for you. And then this one has the amber and the bright LEDs in it. And that's usually the one that I use because I feel like it is a good just face tone kind of thing. Obviously if I was just using this thing and filming like my hands making something or writing something or cooking or anything like that, you can do that as well. But I only use this tripod for live stream. The only thing that I don't really like about it is the fact that it has this giant clamp, and it's not a stand. So, it's like a big alligator clamp kind of thing. If I was somewhere I couldn't clamp it on anywhere, that would be really awkward. And it's not really something that you would want to travel with because it's got these like arms on it. The fact that it was like under 20 bucks, I think it's great because I don't have to set up my studio lights and I don't just turn it on real quick, jump on a live video and do it. And it's great because I don't have to touch anything either. So sometimes when I use, this is the Joby one, but if this is on my desk and let's say I like tap my desk, it will jiggle and I feel like I'm tapping my desk right now and this one's not moving. This tripod for anyone who's doing live videos, yes. Would I recommend it for anybody who's doing YouTube videos? Yes. Is it gonna be the end-all be-all tripod that you want to use for your videos? No. But it's a really great solution for something that is very simple to use and cost efficient. The only cons I have about it is just that clamp thing. It's just kind of hard to always use. But I do like the fact that I can twist. See, I can twist it. But yeah. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, just let me know. And have you ever used this tripod, or what's your favorite tripod to use when you are doing live videos? Let me know. Okay, bye. Sorry, I should have untangled it before doing this video. Now that I'm doing this video, I'm like, I probably should have it in my hand to kind of show you these things. So maybe I'll do that in a few seconds. So, it's like a big alley. Not sure how that will work out when I edit this video, but anyways.